Good day. My name is Ivan Manov. I'm an account executive and trading analyst for GDMFX, and I'll be presenting you the EU session outlook. North American markets, Chicago Fed National Activity Index 0.22 points higher than previous at 0.27. The Dow was sideways, Nasdaq as well. DXY down to 94.38 from 94.93. Dollar traders are waiting for today's market manufacturing PMI to be released from the market economics with the new home sales data just before the GDP report from the world's largest economy. Thursday will be released the initial and continuing jobless claims along with durable goods orders and market services PMI. And of course, everyone is still awaiting the aftermath of the Jackson Hole Symposium and Janet Yellen's speech, which are due this Friday. European markets. Swiss imports rose with 54,000 this month, while trade balance dropped with 2,930,000 and exports declined with 525,000. DAX-30, 47 points down yesterday, CAC40, 22 points down. Euro traders are waiting today for the PMI report to be released for the euro area. From the United Kingdom, the pound yesterday gained 155 pips versus the Canadian dollar and 70 pips versus the US dollar. Markets are waiting for this Friday's GDP report to be released. The FTSE 100 was 20 points down, closed at 6,839 yesterday. And Asian Pacific markets. Nikkei manufacturing PMI preliminary report beat expectations with 0.1 points, climbing to 49.6. Also, Governor Kuroda made his scheduled speech at FinTech Forum in Tokyo this Tuesday, although he refrained from touching upon the central bank's monetary policy stance and also did not comment on the exchange rate level. New Zealand central banker Wheeler said while he intends to lower interest rate further to revive inflation, a series of rapid cuts is not justified. The New Zealand dollar climbed on the comments, which reinforced signal from the bank that the next reduction in rates is more likely to come in November than at its next policy decision in September. Nikkei dropped with 59 points yesterday. Yen traders are looking ahead for Wednesday's leading economic index to be released this Thursday, foreign bond investment and foreign investment in Japan stocks just before the Japanese inflation data to be released on Friday. Commodities. Oil extended declines after the biggest loss in 3 weeks before weekly US crude inventory data and as the market awaits comments from the Nigerian government on a proposal by militias to end hostilities. Silver declined with 13 cents yesterday. Gold had a $8.50 range yesterday, ending the session flat. Crude oil declined with $1.61, closing at 47.15 per barrel. Natural gas gained 6 cents yesterday, closing at $2.65. All traders are waiting for EIA crude oil stock change on Wednesday and the Baker Hughes US oil rig count on Friday after the GDP report. EIA natural gas storage change is due Thursday, right after jobs data and durable goods orders from the world's leading economy.